There's the nabuhat na. Curry! Wow, ganda. There's the church with the flower. We will go here. We will proceed. There we will go here. We will walk by foot. That's my foot. Footsteps. There's the wounded. There's the wounded Dodi. He touched the nail and then he get wounded. But it's okay. He has tetanus toxoid and there's the flooded area. He has tetanus toxoid because he has been bitten last March, bitten by a cat, pussycat dolls. There's the, what do you call that? The sand. Oh, the sand, and this is the heart. Wala pang basura yun. There's the Ate Taros. This is the Catalina village. Yeah. Yan pa oh. Medyo na-clear na yung area. Ikaw yung ano. Oh, there's the push cart. Cart! Kanino ka nagpaalam dun, de? Wala pa yung basura, ha? Right, pipicturean kita. Oh, Israel. Ay, motor. Smile ka muna. So, only one is allowed. Two. Okay, we can now pass through. And this is the moringa tree of the neighbor. There's a rough road with tiles, broken tiles. And there's what do you call that? There's the Dodi. There's the Dodi Mountain. You see, it's hard to pass through, but we must pass through. Let's go, Dodi. Let's hear Dodi.
It's your call.
It's your call. You know, it's been raining in Manila. And there's the Encantadia. What? What? What are you saying?
Raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig?
And there's the pakiusap. And there's the banana tree that is cut down. And this is the billboard. This is the billboard. There's the Dodi. And this is the parking of Lolater when the motor is not parking. There's the old pump, water pump. Old water pump, it's broken. Now we've been here a while ago. And this is the old Kawayan tree.
Yan yung ano? Oo, magsiga lang ito. Para yung dalawa, lalagay din namin sa ano.
There's the church. And this is the parking. And this is our motor. Ayan, we will pass here. This is the coming true. Coming true. We will pass by here. Pass by here. We will proceed. We will proceed. Now, Dodi is
Dropping the sand.
dropping the sand. Why? Why will you drop the sand? You will not pass through by that way. What happened to the English? Okay, nobody's hearing my English, so it's okay. My English is okay. Alam nga namang ano. Baka magpapatid sa'yo si Jane, di ba siya magpapatid? Ha? Okay, Daddy is checking. Checking the wheels.
Taking the wheels.
Oh, no. The bat is showing.
Hindi. Dapat may tali dito.
Lagyan mo na ng alambre. There. There's our inside. There's our inside. You go there, Dodi, so that I can bid you. You got the alambre.
Hoy, binidyo.
Joke lang, di kita binidyoan. Okay, you see the boss?
Ang galang to.
There's the, naipon na.
Bukas magpapalit ang password agad.
Naku, lagot. Nagpalit agad.